to my channel. So the video is a compilation of my first week of Ramadan. Today is day 3. I started this vlog late, so I'm going to start from day 3 of Ramadan. I just woke up. I had sahur around 5, then I slept back around 7:30. So this is 12 o'clock now. Mostly I've been at home throughout this period because I mostly work at home, and then I don't have major plans today. All I have to do is finish up some work, and I want to give out some clothes. I've been trying to give out some clothes for a while, so I decided to do it now because why not? So I'm going to bring out some clothes from my wardrobe. I already started pouring them out. I have to open the remaining wardrobes and just pack out a few of my clothes. Then I will make a pile, then arrange my wardrobe. I'm going to call somebody to come and help me because I have like a lot of clothes. Then after that I'll be working. I have like a ton of deadlines. That's what I'll be doing throughout this Ramadan, first week of Ramadan. I'm trying to meet my deadlines so I can go back to doing makeup and creating content for Instagram and YouTube. And I'm also planning to start like a different type of content besides makeup. So I'm trying to work on that. So guys, I'll see you on my next clip. Hey guys, so yesterday I could not complete the vlog. I finished arranging my wardrobe. I was super exhausted, give out a couple of clothes, and I went to make dinner. I went to make iftar, and I ate and I slept. I was too tired. I was so tired I could not do a video of it. Today I'm basically working. I have a ton of work to get done, and my deadline is coming so fast, so I might not be able to do a vlog for the next couple of days. I'm just going to show you my typical work. When I sit down with my sis, when I start working, I don't even know when the time goes. I just keep working till late, then I eat, then I just go back, I go to sleep, then I continue working. It's just a process, and I always forget to vlog when I'm working. So I'm just gonna try to do a clip of me working. I'll see you on my next clip. So yeah, I'm trying to make smoothie. That's my dinner for tonight. So I'm just trying to cut the watermelon into the blender to blend it. And this is my workspace. This is Misty. If you didn't know, I have like this fashion brand that sells ready to wear clothes. So this is my space. My space is, but right now I need to do my other work. That's what I'm doing. Now I want to pray. I missed out on my 2 o'clock prayer because I was sleeping, so now I'm going to pray my 2 o'clock and my 4 o'clock prayer. So hey guys, welcome back. To today I am going to the dentist for the very first time. Girl, I'm so excited. At the same time I'm terrified because I don't know what to expect. Please ignore my hair situation. I want to deep condition and wash it. Back to what I'm doing today. I'm going to the dentist. I'm super excited about that. And so I just started getting ready. Well, I would have said I just woke up, but I didn't sleep all night because I have like a ton of work to do. So let me just see. I'm about to go and get ready. I want to get my bath and just dress up and get ready. So I'm taking on this journey with me to my first dental appointment. So now I want to film a look. This is, guys, like I felt like I was gonna do the vlog for a week, but I was like, well, let me just do it for like my whole Ramadan period. I went on and off, but mostly off. I think I want to do a vlog of the last 7 days, even though I would try because I'm really busy. I just want to quickly do a makeup look. I would be showing you probably the final look, and yeah, I think this is where I'm going to end my vlog. I came back from the dentist. I just want to show you my teeth. Well, I still have space everywhere. I don't have the energy to get braces yet and the money, so I just did the scaling and polishing, which was quite affordable. I could not show you the dentist place because I was super scared. Immediately I entered the dental office, the dentist office, I was super scared, and I just didn't know, man. I didn't have the energy to vlog because I was, like I said, scared. I just wanted to get it over with, and it was not painful. I thought it was gonna pain me, but it didn't. So I did scaling and polishing. I like my teeth now. It's not like there's a lot of difference. I still have spaces everywhere. Someone insulted me and said I have my scatter teeth like James Bond's bullets. I was now it was so funny because I can't do anything about my teeth unless get braces, and I ain't got funds for that. So guys, this is where I'm going to end the vlog. I'm just going to show you my final look and end the vlog. Please bear with me. This is like I'm really struggling with vlogs because I keep forgetting to bring out my phone in public to like do videos. That's like my greatest obstacle right now, but as time goes I would get better. So let me do my video and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.